So hello guys, today we are going to see the project demonstration of aeronautical based project which is aircraft wind ice mitigation and anti-protection system. The main concept of this project is the aircraft wind ice mitigation is one of the major issues whenever the mitigations, that is ice cloud was formed in a aircraft wings, means it may have difficulties on controlling the airplanes. So to avoid the ice mitigation, we propose this model. So let us see how it will work. So the first condition is we are going to identify whether there is a mist formation or ice formation in the airplane blades using some sensors. For example, there is a block diagram. Actually, these are all the components we are going to integrate it with this model. So there is a temperature humidity sensor. So the temperature and humidity sensors can detect what will be the temperature in the airplane wings. So if the airplane wings gone below the certain, for example, minus degrees, if the temperature is gone, means definitely there will be a ice formations in the airplane wings. So to remove the airplane wings, we are going to connect a Peltier modules, which is nothing but a heaters. So whenever the ice formation happens, means it will automatically inform to the pilot the ice formation is there, the temperature is gone below the certain limit. Like that, the information was passed through the LCD display in the pilot unit. Then a buzzer sound will be alert the pilot about the ice formation in the wings. And if a pilot want to activate that heating element, means the pilot will push the button so that the heating element will turn on, so that the ice will get melt and the wings will be free from the ice frozen. So this is how the system has been planned to implement. So this document includes abstract existing system, proposed system, block diagram, and hardware requirement. Let us see the live demonstration which we implemented. So this is the real-time model. So for airplane wing setup, we use this foam board. So this circuit includes Arduino LCD display, buzzer, and pull-up resistors, temperature sensor, humidity sensor. This is a Peltier heating element. So this is the complete setup. So the circuit board will be in the pilot section, and the sensors and everything was kept in the airplane wings. So that temperature and humidity sensors are kept in different part of the winglet. So the Peltier model give the temperature so that the entire wings get heated and ice get melted, so that the wings will free from the ice freezing. So this is a waterproof temperature sensors kept at the first part of the wings, and if the temperature is gone above the limit, immediately the buzzer sound will arise, and the push button is there. Whenever the push button is turned on, the Peltier will start eating the complete wings. So here in the LCD display you can see the temperatures. The temperature is 30 degrees C, and the BT is second temperature 30 degrees C, and the humidity will be 71%. So this is a normal temperature, so there won't be any fogging. So let us see the software part. So here the complete informations about the temperatures of each part of the wings will be updated in the IoT part, which will act as a black box system. So here you can see the live temperatures. The temperature one is first part of temperature, and humidity will be the complete humidity, and second part of the temperature, and date and time. Like that, all the informations will be logged in the database. So whenever the temperature is gone below the limit, for example minus degrees it's gone, means we can understand that there is a ice fogging condition. So freezing ice has been captured that winglet. So on that condition, the pilot can turn on the switch push button, and the deforming of ice will happen using the Peltier module. The Peltier module is nothing but a heating element. Whenever we are giving some kind of power source, it will start heating the objects. Okay guys, hope you understand the concept what we implemented. So actually this project was developed for an aeronautical engineering based students. So if any of the aeronautical students require this type of projects, you can contact us. The wings will be based upon the budget. The wings we can able to do it in the wood also. So along with this project, we'll give this project report. The project report contains 41 pages of content, which includes the abstract, existing, proposed, hardware and software requirement, block diagram, objectives, literature survey, hardware descriptions. So these are all the contents which we give along with this project. Finally, the conclusion and references. Okay guys, hope you understand this concept. So if you required this type of projects, please contact our executives, or if you required any support regarding your project implementations, kindly contact us. Kindly subscribe our channel and get regular updates. Thanks for watching.